السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. سو دوادا أصحابتو كحرن دارو ليبان أكاديمي. رمضان كريم. Conversation about stealing. وذا شاكيسي كسابسان حديدا. Conversation وذا شاكيسي about كسابسان stealing حديدا. I found وحان هلي a beautiful pencil. قلن قري آد وقروح بدن عن شابنا يجرتديسي. I found وحان هلي a beautiful pencil. قلن قري آد وقروح بدن عن شابنا يجرتديسي. Where halkee did you find them at كهشي? Where halkee did you find them at كهشي? At the far end of the football ground. Barta ugu dambeysa garoonka kubadda cagta. At the far end of the football ground. Barta ugu dambeysa garoonka kubadda cagta. Then kadib give them back dib ugu celi to the owner mulkiilihi. Then kadib give them back dib ugu celi to the owner mulkiilihi. Since maadaama I found them aan helay I'm the owner aniga ah mulkiilaha. Since maadaama I found them aan helay I'm the owner aniga ah mulkiilaha. You can't be the owner ma noqon kartid mulkiilaha. Somebody ruux lost of ayay ka lumeen or ama forget them ama ilaaway. You can't be the owner ma noqon kartid mulkiilaha. Somebody ruux lost of ayay ka lumeen or ama forget them ama ilaaway. Who could that be? You noqon kara kaasi. Who could that be? You noqon kara kaasi. You better find out. Adiga iga wanaagsan raadi. You better find out. Adiga ayaa iga wanaagsan raadi. Don't tell ha u sheegin anyone ruuxna. God ilaah has given them ayaa ii siiyey to me aniga as a gift hadiyad. Don't tell anyone ruuxna ha u sheegin God has given them ilaah ayaa ii siiyey to me aniga as a gift hadiyad. That is stealing. Taasi waa xadid. It's a bad habit. Waana dhaqan xun. God wants you. Ilaahay wuxuu ka doonayaa to return them inaad dib u celisid. That is stealing. Taasi waa xadid. It's a bad habit. Waana dhaqan xun. God wants you. Ilaahay wuxuu ka doonayaa to return them inaad dib u celisid. I don't know ma garanaya the owner mulkiilaha. I don't know ma garanaya the owner mulkiilaha. Then give them to the class teacher. U dhiib macalinka galaaska or ama the headmaster ama maamulaha iskuulka. Then kadib give them u dhiib to the class teacher macalimka galaaska or ama the headmaster ama maamulaha dugsiga. But laakiin I have seen waxaan arkay others kuwa kale taking home inay guri u qaataan things shayada they pick up ay qaataan. But laakiin I have seen waxaan arkay others kuwa kale taking home inay guri u qaataan things shayada they pick up ay qaataan. Shayada ay qaataan. They are not good people. Ma ahan dad wanaagsan. They are stealing. Way hadayaan. Allah ilaahayna does not like them. Ma jecla ayaga. They are not good people. Ma ahan dad wanaagsan. They are stealing. Way hadayaan. Allah ilaahayna does not like them. Ma jecla ayaga. Some of the students ardayda qaar take books buwaagta ayay qaataan from the school library ee maktabada iskuulka when goorta no one ruuxna is looking unan fiirinayn. Some of the students ardayda qaar take books waxay qaataan buwaagta from the school library ee maktabada iskuulka when goorta no one ruuxna is looking unan eegayn. They are also stealing. Sidoo kale ayagana way xadayaan. And they qualified waxayna u qalmaan to be punished in la ciqaabo. They are also stealing. ayagana sidoo kale way xadayaan. And they qualified waxay u qalmaan to be punished in la ciqaabo. Thanks waa ku mahadsan tahay for the advice waanada you have given me isisay. Thanks waa ku mahadsan tahay for the advice waanada you have given me isisay. You have given isisay. You are welcome. So do. Okay, haddaan mar kale ku celino soo dul marno. Okay, I found a beautiful pencil and sharpener. I found a beautiful pencil and sharpener. Where did you find them? Where did you find them? At the far end of the football ground. At the far end of the football ground. Then give them back to the owner. Then give them back to the owner. Since I found them, I am the owner. Since I found them, I am the owner. You can't be the owner. Somebody lost off or forgotten them. You can't be the owner. Somebody lost off or forgotten them. Who could that be? Who could that be? You better find out. You better find out. Don't tell anyone. God has given me as a gift. That is stealing. That is stealing. It's a bad habit. God wants you to return them. I don't know the owner. I don't know the owner. Then give them to the class teacher or the headmaster. But I have seen others taking home things they pick up. They are not good people. They are stealing. Allah does not like them. Some of the students take books from the school library when no one is looking. They are also stealing, and they qualified to be punished. Thanks for the advice you have given. You are welcome. Wa mahadsantihiin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.